Hey guys, this is Mugato, and today I have a Chubb GPO No.6. It's a lever lock, comes with this capping normally. Made a cutaway version for practice to see what I was doing with the levers and how it interacted with this plunger. So the key looks like this. It's a 6 lever lock, pipe key, and it works as such that when you turn the key, you lift all the levers, but this plunger right here tries to push back down on the lever to complicate picking. Unlocked, locked. And I'll try to bring the camera closer so you can see there are also, where's my finger? You can see there's a notch here in the tab and false gates that will, on the levers, that will try to bite on this. Can I place my finger in this one? No? It's kind of hard to do. Anyways, so I'll give you a demonstration of how picking that goes with the clear view. Ooh, try not to drop the tripod. Is that good? So, I've been lucky enough to get some blanks to make a tensioner, and when came time to bend it, I just broke it. But luckily, it's still strong enough to apply enough tension to get the job done. So, alright, now we can see it's slightly moving the locking mechanism, so it's applying tension to the correct piece. I have this lever pick used for different locks, works fine with this one. Just need to insert it underneath. Alright, so now I'm lifting the last lever. We apply tension and start working them on. Six, 5, 4. Some more tension. 5. Oh, 5 is in this false gate. 4 is a max lift. Will not stick for now. 2, 3, 4. Four needs to stay in place. Yep, just like so. 1, 2. Okay, got some more movement. So now probably the we're already close. Someone's not happy. I think it's number 5. I'm going to slack on tension. No, it's good. 3 is stiff. 3. Yep, dropping stuff. 1, 2, 3. Alright. We're stuck in a false gate. Trying to move 2 out of it. Drop some stuff. Go back to the bottom. 6, 5, 4. Alright. Ooh. Come on. The 5th lever is stuck in its false gate, so I have to release slight tension while lifting on it to get it to jump out without dropping the others. There we go. Well, I'll just remove my pick tip. Or not. Well, there we go. Weld open. So definitely knowing the bedding really helps, because you can overlift a lever and get stuck in this false gate. To get out of this position, you just need to apply tension and go back the other way. Where's my pick stuck now? Ah, there it is. Slowly. Try to get it to the rear without messing anything, please. Alright. I'm not gonna mess on the levers like this. I don't want to break anything. Boop. So this has been the cutaway demonstration of how this lock operates. I will unlock it, put the cover back on, and do the original pick. Alright, thank you. Hey everybody, this is Mugatu, and on this next part of the picking, I'll be picking this Chubb GPO No.6 lock. Same key, it's a pipe key with a 6 lever. But instead of the, yeah, well, you can't really see here. There we go. Instead of the plastic cutaway version that I've made, I've put the original metal plate, which hides totally everything. Still using the same tensioner, a bit of a blank key, and this lever pick. I made another one, slightly longer. It helps me reach for the lever 4, which is a max lift. And I will try to be picking from this side of the camera for a better view, since I put my finger here to help navigate with the pick tip. So, tension on. Let's try and get this in a reasonable amount of time. Click on 6. Click on 5. 1, 2, 3. I need to pre-lift the number 4 and keep that plunger up if I'm to have any chance of getting this picked open for you guys. Come on. But it's not obvious. Need to touch number 3 a bit. 6 is good, 5 is good, and then pre-lift that 4. Come on, way high, and I need to keep it there, which is easier said than done. 1, 2, 3, right. 6, 5, 4 seems preset. Oops, I went into the false gate, so let me see how. 5, 4, yeah, false gate of 3. That's not gonna work. I can't get the lever 3 out of its false gate while 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, I'll show you how the levers are made with the tab. When they come in contact, there's a notch that really gets in these levers and prevents them from moving to the true gate without dropping everything else, especially with the plunger that's pressing downwards on everything. So I'll have to drop stuff here. Alright. And get back at it. to get number 4 to stay up. Alright. Seems reasonable. 6, 5, 4 is way up. 3 is still springy, not too low. 2. Oops. Damn. Yep, that's one of the 3 levers that's stuck in the false gate now. Because 6 is springy, 5 is, but not in the right gate. 4 feels good. 3 is stiff, so I messed up 3 again. But I can't get it out unless dropping 4. Come on. 6, 5, 4. Oh, I think I managed to preset 3, perhaps. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that feels good. Gonna go with little taps until we get in a false set, or sort of. Yep. 2, 3, 4. I think 5 is not a binder. Oh boy. 6, 5. Nope, nope. Yes, here we go. And it is unlocked. Oh man. You really need to learn these false gates and how to preset stuff because you're not going anywhere otherwise. So let me open this up for you guys. I'll just lock it back up. Ding. And show you. Woohoo! Sorry. Drop the tripod. Alright. Try to keep everything in frame without dropping it again. Alright. Stand? Stand. Alright, just move the light out of the way. And so, bit is too thick. Take a slimmer one. I don't want to damage the casing. Such a nice unit. I mean, all brass made for the rear. This nice GPO No.6 Chubb London. Very nice piece. Pretty piece, yes, thank you. Alright, everything is in here. Casing is unmodified. This plunger really it really has a good weight on it. Wait, why is it not moving? So when you're lifting your lever, you're fighting, can I hold everything? You're fighting against the lever spring and the plunger. So it gets, oops, gotta lose stuff. It makes for a good battle. So this is number 1. Number 2. Number 3. And just to show you guys, you can see that notch, which I call the false gate. It's very sharp, and it goes right in here, right in the tab when you try to push. So when the tab is pushing towards the right, it really bites into there. And if you want to move it upwards, you're going to move the tab backwards and drop everything, because that plunger is pushing on everyone. Come on. Try not to break the springs. I doubt I'd get any replacement parts for this one. In number 6, which is the easiest to set, it's a minimum lift. You only push it once at the beginning, and it's set for the rest of the picking. Come on. All right. I think I can remove everything else too. Come on. It usually always falls on its own, except when you want it to fall. Spring, the plunger, which has a cutout to allow the cam mechanism to move. And you have the whole assembly. And I'll give you a close-up of these levers and the key, of course. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, eh? They don't all have that kind of false gate. You can see the number 6 has nothing. It's just, well, no, there's no overlift notch. And some, like lever 1, I think. No, not so much. Yeah, lever 2. You can notice you really need to know to get it at the right height, because there is a notch if you over or under lift it. So be ready to push it at the right height. Luckily, the lock has a good feedback, and when you're stuck on a lever that's not in the right place, it doesn't feel springy like the others. It's just a matter of mapping the correct position for each of them. So anyway, that's it for the GPO number 6. Thank you guys.